Let's talk about our choice of operating system and how this affects your security, because the operating system really is the base of your security. So there are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to operating systems and security. So you may have heard, for example, that Macs can't get viruses. Lots of people also say that Windows is terrible when it comes to security. And then you've got the people in the Linux camp that think it's the greatest operating system. So let's explore some of those beliefs based on facts and statistics and see where we actually end up when it comes to the security of these operating systems. So Windows has got a bad track record. There's no doubt about that. It's had weak security design from the beginning. But you have to give credit where credit is due. In the more recent operating systems, Microsoft has started to take security seriously, and with its later products and its later security features like BitLocker, Emmet, Device Guard, Windows Hello, and Windows Trusted Apps, it has a fairly solid set of security features now. The thing that's letting Windows down, especially with the more recent Windows 10, are the tracking and privacy issues, which is a slightly different thing to security features, but it does put some people off. Next, Mac OS X. Currently, again, like Windows, solid base of security features, things like address space layout randomization, application sandboxing, File Vault 2, privacy controls, and Apple's Trusted Store apps, all strong security features. And then we have Linux type operating systems, Unix-like operating systems. There's a large variety of these types of operating systems, so I'm sort of bucketing them all together really. But if you're looking for the most secure operating systems, this is where you're going to find them, and the likes of SE Linux would be a good example of that, which is a fine-grained mandatory access control or MAC design, which is for meeting the requirements of governments and military. But then more standard operating systems such as Debian, Arch Linux, Ubuntu, again, all got fairly solid security features. So when we consider Windows, Mac, and Linux, they're all on a similar sort of playing field when it comes to their actual security features and functionality.